Okay. I'm so sorry. 12 o'clock we shall be releasing the children. 12 o'clock.
Yeah, okay.
Because we have an assembly from 11:30 to 12 o'clock. I thought it's still 12:15, but it's still 12 o'clock.
In the lobby?
In the lobby. If the kids are home students, but if they're in the bus, then they board the buses by 12 o'clock. Alright? Alright, just come in. And before you do, actually, we have I've set up your rooms already. So, yeah.